Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another one of our daily class meetings. Let's get into our calendar for today. So, yesterday was what day of the week? Do you remember? Yesterday was Monday, June 1st, 2020. Today, if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. So if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. No big events this week. Next Saturday is Grace McInnes's birthday. And next Sunday is Flag Day. Now, just so you know, this is today. I'm going to do videos tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and my last videos will be on Wednesday, June 10th. So after today, we have 6 more days of videos. On Thursday the 11th, we have an event going on at Jackson where Miss Ditzel's kids can come in and see Miss Ditzel, and she has something to give you. And that's from 12:45 to 1:45. And then from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, Mr. Vanderwerf and Miss Squire, my class, can come in and see us, and we have something to give to you. By the way, Miss Ditzel's kids, I've decided to go in early and help Miss Ditzel so that I can also say hi to you, since I know you guys all so well. All right, let's get into our clock. By the way, I'm really sorry, boys and girls, that I have to tilt the calendar this way, but if you look, on this side of the calendar, the numbers are fading. There's a glare coming in, and no matter what I do, if I don't turn it, you're really not going to be able to see the numbers. So I apologize for that. Okay, now it's time for clock review. So this is called the clock face, right? The longer hand on the clock is the minute hand, right? The shorter hand on the clock is called the hour hand. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you 3 times of 3 different times that I want you to tell me what they are. Remember, when the minute hand is at the top of the clock, it's the beginning of a new hour. So what time is that, say, boys and girls? 4 o'clock, right? How about this one, boys and girls? 7 o'clock. Good, 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 good. And this one? 10 o'clock. Good, 10 o'clock. Here's a toughie. How about that one, boys and girls? You can't see the hour hand because it's behind the minute hand, so this is 12 o'clock. Good. Now, we also learned as the minute hand goes around the clock in this direction, which we call clockwise direction, by the way, when it goes from the 12 to the 3, it takes 15 minutes to get there. So if this was 12 o'clock, this time is 12:15. Good. And if this is 12:15, we know that when the minute hand starts at the top of the clock, it takes how many minutes to go to the bottom of the clock? It takes 30 minutes, right? We talked about that. So if this is 12 o'clock and this is 12:15, what time would that be, boys and girls? 12:30. Good. And if that's 12:30, how long does it take for the minute hand to go from the 12 around the clock all the way to the 9? It takes this many minutes. Can you guys see that number? What's that number? 45 minutes. So if this was 12:30, this is 12:45. All right, let's do a couple of each now. What time is it, boys and girls? 3 o'clock. Good. Now what time? 3:15. Good. Now what time? 3:30. Good. Now what time? 3:45. 7:45. Excellent. All right, let's do one more. Here we go. What time is it, boys and girls? It's 7 o'clock. So if this is 7 o'clock, this would be 7:15. And this would be 7:30. And this would be 7:45. Excellent. All right, so clock is done for today. Calendar is done for today. Unfortunately, I'm having a hard time getting the book I'm going to read to you. I'm going to try to go out today and get it. I hope I can get it. So we are into the final Animals and Habitats packet for this year, and we're doing June 1st through June 17th. Yesterday was day 1. Today is day 2. So let's see what's in day 2 in your packet. All right, we're learning about freshwater habitats. Let me move closer to you guys so you guys can see me. So we're learning about freshwater habitats. And today, if you go to the Jackson Primary Batavia first grade, and then once you're on their YouTube channel, if you go to playlists, you'll see it in the middle, and click on day 2, it'll say June 1st through 17th, day 2. There is a freshwater habitat video. Oh, no, actually, no. This is the one that did not make it in because we couldn't find one on YouTube that we could link. So there are directions here on how to go through the Batavia webpage and what to do to get to Brain Pop Junior. And when you're there, search freshwater and you can watch the freshwater habitat video. All right, other than that, today there is some things to do. This one is building a habitat for freshwater animals. And here's an example picture of what you can do to build your habitat. Please send me those pictures. I love those pictures. Love them, love them, love them. You guys are doing a great job. If you're in Miss Ditzel's class, send them to Miss Ditzel. She has really been proud of what she sees. Also, there's a story to read. You can read it with either, if you can read it yourself, great. If you have an older sibling that can read it, but you can't, that's okay. Or mom and dad can read it. It's about chimps. So today you're going to learn about chimps. And then when you're done, this is called a reading comprehension packet. So there are questions to answer about the story about chimps. So the first 3 questions are all multiple choice, which we've talked about. There's 3 choices. One of them is the correct answer. Can you go back to the story and look for the answer? Absolutely, you should do that. And then when you find it, you color in the bubble that represents the dot that represents the correct answer. On the back, there are also 3 questions here. And if you can't read the questions, have someone read it to you. And then think about what the answer is based on what you read or what you heard when somebody was reading it to you. They're very, it's a really good skill for you to have as a first grader going into second grade, because in second grade you're going to practice reading comprehension packages. First grade is more about learning to read and building your reading knowledge and having skills that you can use. And then in second grade, you get into understanding your reading a little bit more. We do that in first grade, but in second grade, it's more of a focus than it is in first grade, because at the beginning, we're just trying to build your reading confidence and give you the strategies to figure out unknown words and things of that nature. So, boys and girls, I hope you're having a great day between the packet and this video. That will fulfill your requirements for today. Tomorrow I'll be back, and I want to do I'll do 2 videos tomorrow, the daily calendar, and then I want to do a math lesson on shapes with you to give you some good information about shapes that you're already working on. Have a great day, boys and girls, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.